Yeah, be careful of its undercurrents here. What happened to you?
Just slipping and slipping.
Slipping in what? Okay. We're walking the sand dunes at Sandbanks.
Wait a second.
We're walking in Sandbanks National Park and or Provincial Park, I think, actually, for Ontario. It's end of August, the last week of August. And we've got some storms brewing in. We're going to hole it out before we head out. So we decided to come down here for the day. And we're just doing a walk. Basically, we're walking down at Dunes Beach. And they're just massive sand dunes here. We walked probably about 45 minutes into the beach, into the dunes, so we don't have very many people here at all. Basically out by ourselves. And we saw some sandpipers, monarch butterflies, a lot of milkweed. This time of year, the monarchs are getting ready to migrate south. So I forget what they call them, the cichlids or the chickalids, whatever, when they're in their little cocoons before they become butterflies. That's actually what the stage they're in right now, and they're just getting released. So in a week or two, there's just going to be all kinds of butterflies being born. So anyways, that's just a little interim trip update. Troublemaker.
Rebuttal.
I see some sandpipers here. See them moving there? We're doing a video. Sitting on the Sandbanks beach. The lakeshore beach. This is the lakeshore beach as opposed to the dune beach. And you can see the crazy storm clouds coming in there in the distance. We're gonna get some rain tonight. Well, this is the last blow that we're having before we're heading out. We're just sitting it out, waiting it out on the dock here. But just to show, there's so much. Winds are 25 knots right now to bursts of 35. So not out of control or anything, but very heavy. And
I'll show you an example.
it's blowing all the seaweed over.
So much.
And David is just making sure we don't get it caught in our rudder, so he's moving it past the boat. So we're waiting it out so we have a little bit of a nicer cruise. We'll be leaving around 15 knots of wind. Maybe if we're up in time. If not, it's going to die down to about 10. We'll be heading out on Lake Ontario for make our journey back to Hamilton. Anyways, that's actually how much seagrass and stuff that he's pulled out in the back there. It's just crazy. And then we've got the volunteer Coast Guard behind us. So they came in for a refueling. They're out doing their shift. And this is Brighton Rescue. And they're going to be going out and they're just patrolling right now. Because of the high winds, they're in a much better position with their boat to help than we are. A boat like ours doesn't have enough motor strength.
I feel like I'm pulling the whole island.
Yep, they made it. Around.
I have one. I gave you one because I had
Staying at the Harbor View Marina. There's room for, I don't know, a couple of transient boats, not too many. A little park. So, getting ready to go, and I was inspecting the sail, and one of my sail ties has broken off, so I don't know how to do this exactly because I've not done one before. But basically you just go many times and then you go through it many times to tie it in place. And then I've got some whipping line here. So actually I've got two types. Let me use the old one first before I use the new one. And this is like a waxed line basically. So I need my needle that this will fit, which is the sail needle, the large one. So basically this thing snapped off in my sail track. So I'm just going to tie a new one on, and then I'm going to drop those two and then put this one in place. So this is basically goes here, similar to those other ones that are up in here in the sail track. Actually, I've got another one there. So some of them are done with cloth, and then this is just using nylon whipping line. You just go around and around and then around and around and through until you get it being thick like that. So I need to get my knife to cut this out. It's because it's waxed line.
wax.
Yeah. So this thing has to go through that dot there. And then like that. Can you hold this right here? I'm not too sure. Hang on. If I need you, let me just try something first. Just go through this.
Wait, what's that little white piece?
And then I'll go through here. Yeah, hold that like that.
This?
No. Hold this right there. Just like that.
Like that?
Yeah. Thank you. getting this started here. And then I'm going to go through that hole right again once I get through a few loops. Right there. Right there. Got it?
Yeah.
And I think that this is like a wax line, so I'm not too sure what it does, but I'm going to start tying it here now and in a knot. Yeah, I'm just twisting it. Let it come out. Okay, right here. Can you hold that out?
Hold this.
Hold the white. Yeah, I'm going to go and wrap. Gotta wrap. Okay.
Perfecto.
So that's the sail tie repair, sail slide repair, and that is very stiff, and I must have been around there a couple hundred times, so that's not going to break. Very confident in that actually. And then I've sewn it through, and then I've tied it down, and I've gone around twice. This one in.
This piece just broke off.
Let's slide that one in instead. And then this one in here. And then this last one in there. The lock I have is this one here, but it's got to go up higher. All good, David. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Whew. Oh yeah, just on this thing to stop the waves from making noise for us. That's it. So sail is repaired.
You're recording, Dad.
What's that?
Dad, you're on film.
Oh, am I?